45 minutes, bro.
I'm on time. I planned that.
Well, let's load her up. Good morning!
Morning! What's up, guys? So we're getting ready to go to the...
Wait. Can you face the camera first?
Guys, where am I going to expect these
Turn around!
Oh! So everybody wants to know why he's been so douchey on camera. It's not that you're a douche, and I'm gonna clarify that. He's embarrassed of the camera. I don't know how that happened, and look at that haircut. Look at me. You should be super confident on camera right now.
All right, fam, check it out, son. All right, me, Daniel, John, we about to go to Spec D show. What's good, homie? It's like freaking 9.
Into a rapper.
It's like 9 in the morning, bro. I'm fucking tired, and Daniel's got me going to chill on Saturday morning. Let's go.
We're going to Spec D Tuning in City of Industry. We're gonna go hang out. We're setting up a booth. We'll have a couple cars on display. We'll be hanging out for a few hours. Don't mind Anthony. He's seriously not a douchebag. He's actually a really good guy. I love the kid. Let's do this. We're gonna give you a little teaser, but yeah, he got rod knocked.
Oh, no.
Let's do that. Premium model, we got racks, over 6,000 designs, and that's a fact. Custom lights and the dopest graphics. How your whip looking clean when you in traffic. Okay, your ride look fresh on the interstate. Yeah, sweeter than a Kit Kat.
Should've known.
Should've known.
You'd smell out the food.
Well, no, look, you got these girls freaking short skirts on with tacos in their hand. Obviously, you know, tacos are this way. Saturday, baby, cheat day.
I think we're gonna slow down on the vlogs and we're gonna focus more on production. I'm thinking we'll do 3 vlogs a week. And we'll start focusing more on project by project rather than just daily vlogging. And like based off the feedback, I think people are wanting to see like fully completed projects like from top to bottom, you know. Tuned to Tokyo, we had a meeting with them last week, or in the last vlog. Yeah, back to it. I think that we're gonna cut back a little bit. We'll slow down on production of content until people get happy with our rhythm. Because right now, I think we're kind of out of the flow. It's just a lot of randomness, and that is kind of what our day consists of. We do a lot of random stuff while we wrap cars, but I think I'll just start showing more thoroughly the wrap projects. Wait! I don't know what I was thinking. So if you watch that clip, you can actually see the stress in my eyes. I don't know where I was. So I was walking through this show and I'm thinking, I want to slow down content. I want to do this, I want to do that. And I think that was just the stress speaking, because I feel great now. And I'm like, dude, I'm missing our vlogs. Whether you guys are missing them or not, if you notice, we haven't put up a vlog in 3 or 4 days now. Mentally, I'm drained. You know, I got a newborn at home, business is thriving, we're growing faster than ever. So there's just a lot of things coming at me right now, and I want to apologize. Sorry guys, I really apologize that we slowed down the vlogs. Some of you guys have been commenting, where are the vlogs at? And I told my crew, I said, guys, I want to slow down a little bit. I want to start strategically thinking about what we're putting out. And that was wrong. Honestly, like what we give you is just the raw authenticity of the shop. It's what we do every single day, and you guys get to see it. And you know, the 10-15,000 of you guys that are actively watching our channel, I'm so grateful. You know, so I'm so thankful for that. And I don't know what I was thinking. I'm like, dude, I'm gonna slow this down and try to make it better or worse or whatever. And I think I just made it worse. I apologize. I'm just gonna get off of that. But thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the support. Thank you guys for subscribing. The last video we put up, I did a little rant just talking about an interaction I had with one of you guys, one of the subscribers, you know, somebody that I met, and we talked some business stuff with. And it was a great conversation, so go back to that vlog, watch it. But there was a hashtag in that video. Like every single one of our videos, we have a hidden hashtag where you guys can win stuff. And this is just another way that we try to interact with you guys. So every single video, just comment, find the hashtag that's hidden in the video, comment it below, and you're entered into our little subscriber giveaway. The reason why I mentioned that is I want to pick a winner. I want to pick a winner from the last vlog, and the hashtag was inspired, and I told you guys that it was inspired, and a lot of you guys commented. I think there was like 600 people that commented. So at the end of the vlog, I'll pick a winner. So stay tuned to the end. For the rest of the day, you're gonna see the rest of that car meet that we're at, Spec D. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for having us. Thanks for the booth. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to be at your show. So you guys will see that. John did great cinematics, so make sure you tell John on his Instagram, Premium Fam, go say something, because John killed it. Put the drone up, didn't crash it. If you go back 2 or 3 vlogs ago, Jefe over there crashed the drone, but we're good. We got the drone back up and going, and got some great footage of Spec D today, back present day in the shop, working again. Thank you guys so much for the support. Like I said, I don't know what I was thinking when I was filming at the show and I was walking through there and telling you guys I want to slow down with content. I was wrong, and I'm sorry for that. Forgive me, and we're gonna get this content going. We're gonna have some of the best content we've put out in the last year moving forward.
up, Christian?
What's up?
What's up? What up?
I know I'm super late, but how's it been going so far?
What's up, brother?
Good.
Get to work.
My name is Joseph. I just sold my Del Sol and I have a 280Z as my dream car.
We're not Russell. Hey. Joseph? I thought it was Russell. I wish you would have been like, I'll be Russell today. I Doug. I don't mind. Justin. What is it? Joseph. Joseph. Oh my God.
Good job, man.
Specty Tuning put on a great show. We're probably gonna have the same thing as last time around where we're not able to have much audio because it's really loud here. Couple trains. Jefe had a good time. Christian even made it out. The new guy, Christian even made it out. I call him Logic, but he made it out. Obviously this cute, sexy guy right here. We had a blast. Thank you, Specty, for having us. And I don't think this is gonna be a vlog only based around the show. I think we're gonna add more stuff to it. So I don't know if this is an intro and outro or a closer, but I will say this, and I'll say it maybe midway through. If you guys don't know about our company, we give away a car app every 100,000 subscribers. We're approaching 200,000 and we'd love for it to be you. So all you gotta do is subscribe, hit the post notification button, go to the link below. There's a description, in the description it says, enter our car app giveaway. Click that, enter the car app giveaway, and you're entered at 200,000 subscribers. We're gonna pick a winner and it might be you. I said, whoops. That's the biggest truck in the city. We're in beautiful, 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 beautiful downtown Los Angeles. Dude, this mountain's crazy. I didn't expect that. See you later, dude. Show them how the hill, dude.
Oh my God.
This right here is why people in LA stay in shape, bro. Imagine trying to walk up this, and we're gonna try to walk up this after we eat.
Oh man.
So we came down here. I told you I got 2 meetings today. One of them with the well-known YouTuber. I'm not gonna announce his name yet until we get the deal secured. We're talking about wrapping one of his vehicles. Before we do that meeting, I'm meeting with some good friends of mine. They happen to be in town, so we're just gonna grab a bite to eat real quick. All of these guys that you guys are about to see, we're gonna look like we're not supposed to be together. We're just a crazy little group, but we all used to work together back in the day on a marketing team for one of the previous jobs I was at. Yeah, it's just a crazy little melting pot of everybody.
Drop the frame down slow, about to explode at the red light, setting off all the car alarms when I fly by. Sound like I just put 50 racks in my STI. Super fly ride, Instagram watching worldwide. My style is premium.
It probably doesn't even look crazy on camera. This shit is steep. It's like this. Lean forward a little bit. All right, so we're pulling up to Starbucks. I think we're in Reseda, California. We're meeting with the YouTuber I was talking about earlier in the vlog. I'll say his name now. We're meeting with Landon. Him and his girl have a vlog. It's called This Is L&S. Really cool. Got 1 million subscribers. Cool with just the idea of collaborating. You know, we're gonna sit there and talk about wrapping one of his cars. I think it's a Mustang. Hopefully we make something happen. Let's get in the meeting. Let's see where things go.
John. Nice to meet you.
Landon.
It's my filmer, John. To the whip. Tight, tight. Let's look at colors.
If you sent a trailer out, when would you do that?
Early next week, like Tuesday, Wednesday.
I can do that.
Okay.
For sure, we can do that.
Okay.
Nice seeing you. Nice meeting you guys.
Yeah, we'll see you guys soon. I think it went good. We just met with Landon. His channel is This Is L&S. Landon and his girlfriend Shayla have a channel, and they prank. They do just cool, just fun stuff. And I've been a fan of the channel for a while. Coincidentally, he reached out, and now we're wrapping his car. Meeting Landon, super cool guy. Like exactly how he is in his vlogs is who he is in person. Because I've met vloggers and YouTubers, and some of you may have done the same, where you met somebody like, you know, one of the people you're a fan of on channel or whoever, and then you meet them in person, and they're kind of like not the same. Landon's even cooler. So I actually really enjoyed talking to him. We got to talking cars, and it was cool just to see that he's enthusiastic about doing this. So we will be wrapping his Mustang. We are going to send a trailer out on Wednesday to come pick up the car. Kind of a new service we're doing. We're doing a lot of business, you know, a lot further away now. So people are asking to have cars shipped in or brought over to us. A new service we're offering is pickup. So got the trailer, and we're just picking up these cars, just trying to extend our services. So if you guys are looking at your car and you're not local to Riverside, close enough though where we can pick up the vehicle, we can do that. But back to Landon. We'll be picking up his car on Wednesday, starting to wrap it. Chose a great color. I think it's gonna look really cool. He has a 2016 5.0 Mustang on bags. Really dope. It's gonna be a fun project. So I can't wait to show you guys that. I did mention earlier in the vlog that we would be picking a winner from the last vlog that we did which is now a week ago. And I'll say it again, I'm sorry for the lack of content. We just took a little bit of a break to get our heads straight, and we're back to it, and we're excited to be back to it. The hashtag for the last video was inspired. And I talked about why that was earlier in the vlog. John is helping me out because we're driving. So he used the auto generator on his phone, picked the winner, and the winner actually had a full comment.
First off, congrats to Merritt Kane. I think that's how you say your first name, but
I think that comment makes everything that we do worth it. And I say this all the time. If you guys know, you comment below, I always try to comment back. I comment back as much as I can. But comments like that just kind of make all of this worth it, because producing content, paying a videographer, and pushing my staff to not only be employees of the business but also be a personality for the camera, it's not easy. It takes a lot of work, and that's why we took a little bit of a break. We pumped the brakes just to kind of get readjusted, because our whole job, our whole everything we do has totally changed over the last year. I think we're gonna end the vlog here. John and I still have a long day ahead of us. John needs to go edit this vlog. I gotta go to the shop and finish up wrapping a couple cars that we have there. As always, thank you guys so much for the support. We appreciate it. I'm excited about giving our 200,000 subscriber car wrap giveaway. Let's do it. Let's make it happen soon. See you guys in the next vlog.
If you buy a new car, better take it to premium, cause when you driving in the street, you gotta be #1. You can bring a GTR or a Bentley, customize a Camaro or a Mustang. Boys do the blue, girls do the pink.